Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a regular photo into a stunning cloud styles artworks where the object looks like it's made of clouds in the sky. So let's get started. First, just open ChatGPT and then next just go to menu, this one, and then after that just tap on images like this, and then next just choose the styles, cloud styles, this one, just tap on it, and then after that just upload the photo that you want to transform, or you can also take a new selfie from your camera. In here I will just choose photo from my gallery, and then after that I will upload my photo, and then next just tap on done like this and wait for the process. And okay, like this your photo now transform into a dreamy cloud artworks like this. It's like floating in the sky. It's so cool. The result is so cool. And okay, super easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.